Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I am confused. Oh my gosh, I'm confused, and I need your help. I got an email from Banggood, and it listed, all their goodies that were on sale for the day. And one of them was this radio right here. It's a Texan model RP-309. I've never heard of it, but it looks really nice. So let me show you some pictures here. Unfortunately, all these pictures are just enough out of focus. You can't read all the things on the dial, all the functions, and I cannot find a manual. So I'm really confused what this is. I know it's AM, FM, and shortwave. I don't know if it's single sideband. And I believe it's a MP3 player also, TF card slot, USB slot. So it looks nice. And, $75, but it is from China. So it's an additional $11.51 shipping, and it will take 10 to 15 days to get. Now, I normally buy things like this from Ann let me show you right here, at anon.co. I've dealt with her over the years, always getting great service. So I went there to see, what she was charging for this radio. It's not here. So I sent her an email this morning asking her, why isn't it in your store? Is there something bad about it or unique about it? So I'm waiting for a reply. Continued to look, and I found the radio at AliExpress, $57 compared to $74. And it seems like the same exact radio. It's $13 shipping, but it will take till January 12th to get it. I'm too impatient for that. And I go down, read the description. Still can't look at the pictures and see what all these functions are. Kind of guess it says AM, FM, shortwave 1, shortwave 2. But then there's a couple other functions. I don't know what they are. Maybe they're associated with the MP3 player. Then I come down here under frequency range, and it only lists shortwave 2. Well, what's on shortwave 1? Well, that's confusing. So I go on. I found one YouTube video on this. There's no commentary, but the gentleman shows you all the function, everything. Again, I still couldn't read this stuff. Maybe it's in Chinese or something. I don't know. It seemed to work pretty good. And he even, in this video, and I'll put a link to this video down in the comments, he even took it apart. Let me show you. Here it is. See, he took it apart. So, pretty good video. So again, I'm even more interested now. So I keep looking. So here, I already showed you this one. And did the price range, did the price change since I last showed you this page? See, I'm so confused. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, what's the next one I got? Okay, so I went to the Texan website to find detailed information about that radio. They don't have that radio on their website. I'm like, what? Well, there's another Texan website in Australia, and they sell additional products with the Texan name, but they're not original Texan products. They just put their name on it, and that's this one right here. So here's the Texan Radio Australia. So I looked there. They don't have it. I'm like, what is going on here? Why is it that it's not sold in outside of China? That you have to buy it from a Chinese store? Is that it? And maybe the reason I can't read what's on here, maybe it's in Chinese, maybe? I don't know. I need your help. I really need your help. If you've got one of these radios or you know more about it, please let me know. Again, it's the RP-309. Also, I think it's, let's see, where am I at? I'm on AliExpress. I think there are a couple of different models. See if I can find the other one. Maybe down here on the bottom. Oh, this was another thing that's confusing. These are all the ways you can get it shipped and the time it takes to ship it. And I'm trying to see, yeah. So down here is some more of the same radio, or similar radios. Here's one under a different name, it's $66. Here's one, it's $50. Now we click on this one, again, more confusion. It's $50, $8 shipping, but you won't get it till January 13th. Okay, maybe I should order it. So I'm hoping, but I doubt, that Ann will have it for sale, even though she doesn't have it listed, or have the reason she doesn't have it in the store. Maybe there's a problem with them. I don't know. This one, only one, and I guess that's why there's only one, because people can't find it. This one video, wherever it went, where'd that video go? I don't know, it doesn't matter. That's the only video I could find on YouTube about this radio. Again, the model number is RP-309. I think it was on this website. See, now this one, let me click on it. This one says original. What does that mean? Is there an updated one? It says original. So maybe that's why this is cheaper here? I am so confused. But I did find one last thing. I did find this radio on Amazon, similar to it. It doesn't have the MP3 player, and it's got fewer settings. So I'm kind of interested in this one. It's only $39, so maybe I'll get this one. I don't know. See what kind of reviews we got. Wow, 382 ratings, and it scored a 4.4 out of 5. Sold by whatever this store name is. When can I get it? Delivered today. Oh my gosh, well, maybe I gotta get off the dime and order one of these. Gotta check with Jeff to make sure he doesn't have one. That's it. If you can help me out, please leave a comment. Have a great day. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Bye-bye.